Alrighty, for this video we're going to do some cream cheese and apple tarts, and for this we're going to use a half cup of powdered sugar. This is one small apple out of our garden, off our tree, and I've sliced it relatively thin. I'm leaving the peel on because, you know, this is going to be a relatively tan colored dessert, and I want to just add a little bit of color to it, so I'm going to leave that on. And this is just in a bowl of water with a little bit of lemon juice. We're also going to use lemon juice, and we got a couple packages of cream cheese, and of course we have vanilla and a couple eggs. And we're going to go ahead and we're pulling out the heavy equipment today. We're going to go ahead and beat up our cream cheese, and you know, with the powdered sugar, the lemon, the eggs, and that'll make you know, nice creamy, you know, filling. And then we'll put the apples on top. So let's get cooking. Go ahead and get our blender going, and we're going to go ahead and start off with the cream cheese. We'll add these one at a time. And we'll get that going. Now it's been, cream cheese has been sitting out for a while, getting warm, so that way it blends up easier. Now we'll go ahead and add our eggs one at a time. Spatula here, we'll get that scraped down. We want all that to get mixed up good. And you could do this with a little hand mixer if you really wanted to, but thought I'd go with the stand mixer today. Now we're going to go ahead and add our powdered sugar. Slowly drip that in there. And we'll add a little bit of our lemon juice. This is the juice of half a lemon. And we're just going to put a little shot of the vanilla extract in there as well, maybe like half a teaspoon. Okay, let's make sure that's all well mixed. Some at the bottom here that's not cooperating, so we'll get it picked up. Alrighty, and I think that's all pretty well mixed together. So now we'll get set up and do the assembly. And what we've got here is we've got some puff pastry cut in half, and we've just got the halves laying here. We're going to go ahead and take our cream cheese mixture that we put together, and we're just going to add a dollop on each one of these. And now that we have the cream cheese down, we're just going to put a couple of apple slices on each one of these. And this recipe should make about a dozen of these. You'll need 2 sheets of the puff pastry. Then what we're going to do, something which I almost forgot with the ingredients here, is I've got this pre-made sugar and cinnamon mixture that we use to make French toast, and I just want to put a little sprinkle of that over the top, just to, you know, kind of accentuate more of that, you know, apple fall flavors in there. We're just going to put a little bit on each one of these. And then we're going to go ahead and put them into a 350-degree oven. And 45 minutes later, at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, you have beautiful dessert. Nice apple dessert there with some cream cheese and a little cinnamon on top. Enjoy. If you like this video and like to see more, please like and subscribe so you can come back for more videos when they come out with more, you know, tasty recipes. Thank you.